In this video, I show you how to fix Snapchat director mode option not showing problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search Snapchat. Now click on it, then click on uninstall. Now install again. Wait for completing the install process. Now open Snapchat. Then log into your account. Turn on allow while using the app. Allow. Then click on arrow icon. Then you can see director mode. Now I hope that this method fix Snapchat director mode option not showing problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.